Bank and credit card categories. You can access this function from Banking, List, Bank and Credit Card categories. By clicking Add Category button, you can create new bank and credit card categories. Enter the bank account category. Click Save button. After you create bank and credit card categories, you can view list of bank and credit card categories. Furthermore, when you are creating bank accounts, you can add bank account category. Go to Banking, add a bank or credit card, select Category, select Add New Category. You can enter bank account category and create new bank account category when you are creating the bank account.